Hello dear friends, I hope you are doing good and welcome to our Tech HelpLine channel. So in screen you can see our topic name is Top 15 Automation Testing Interview Questions and Answers. So let's move on next slide. So in screen you can see first question, and that is what is automation testing, and their answer is automation testing is a technique using an automation tool to write and execute testers, test scripts and cases. The second point is the main goal of automation testing is to reduce the number of test cases to be run manually and not eliminate manual testing altogether. So next slide is, and next question is, what are the most popular tools for automation testing? And their answer is the most popular test tool for automation testing are, first one is Qtp, so we can say USP, UFT, and third is Selenium. Okay, so third question is on a screen, when will you automate a test? And their answer is automation in preferred in following cases. First is repetitive task, second is smoke and sanity test, third is test with multiple dataset, and last is regression test cases. So usually the decision is based on the ROI. ROI is nothing but return on investment. So let's move on next question. So fourth question is, when will you not automate testing? So their answer is one should not automate in following cases. So first one is when the application under a test changes frequently, second is one time test cases, and third is ad hoc random testing. So next question is, what are the steps involved in the automation process? And their answer is, in the automation process, steps involved are, first one is selecting the test tool, second is define the scope of automation, third is planning, design and development, fourth is test execution, and last one is maintenance. So next question is, in what condition we cannot use automation testing for the Agile method? And their answer is here, automation testing is not useful for Agile methods in following conditions. So first one, or first condition is when Agile testing always asks for changes in requirements. Second is when exhaustive level of documentation is required in Agile. And third and last one is only suitable for those regression tests during Agile testing like continuous integration. So let's move on next question, that is 7, and what are the points that are covered while planning phase of automation? So their answer is, during planning phase of automation, things which must be taken in concern are, first one is selection the right automation tool, second is selection automation framework if any, third is list of in scope and out of scope items for automation, fourth is test environment setup, fifth is preparing Gantt chart of project timelines for test script development and execution, and last one is identify test deliverables. So next point is, our next question is, what are the primary features of good automation tool? So their answer is, during planning phase of automation, things which must be taken in concern are, and these are the following. So first one is test environment support and easy to use. Second is good debugging facility. Third is robust object identification. Fourth is object and image testing abilities. Fifth is object identification. Sixth is testing of database, and last one is support multiple frameworks. So let's move on next question, that is ninth. What are the types of the framework used in software automation testing? So their answer is here, in software automation testing, four types of framework used are, and these are the following. The first one is data driven automation framework, second is keyword driven automation framework, third one is modular automation framework, and last one is hybrid automation framework. Okay, so next question is, what is the scripting standard while performing automation testing? And their answer is, while writing the scripts for automation, you must consider following things. And these things are, first one is uniform naming convention, second is three lines of comments for every 10 lines of code. Third one is adequate indentation. Fourth is robust error handling and recovery scenario. And fifth is use of frameworks wherever possible. So let's move on next question, that is 11th number, and that is on what basis you can map the success of automation testing. And their answer is by following criteria the success of automation testing can be mapped. And those criteria are: first one is defect detection ratio, second is automation execution time and time savings to release the product, and third one is reduction in labor and other cost. So let's move on next question. So here, next question is, can list out some disadvantages of manual testing? Yes, and their answer is disadvantages of manual testing are below. So first one is manual software testing requires more time and more resources. Second one is inaccuracy. Third one is executing same test cases repeatedly is error prone and boring. And last one is it is impractical to do manual testing on very large projects and time bounded projects. So let's move on next question, that is 13 number, and there is tell me what you know about Selenium. So that is this is important questions and basic question. So their answer is Selenium is a free open source test automation library. It is used to automate web and mobile environments, and it consists of Selenium IDE, browser add-on, record and playback tool. Second is Selenium WebDriver. Third one is Selenium Grid, that is also distributed testing. And last one is Selenium supports scripting in languages like Java, C Sharp, Python, Ruby, PHP, Perl, JavaScript, and so on. So next question we have is tell me about QTP, and your answer is QTP nothing but Quick Test Professional is now known as SPUFT. Second point is it is a commercial automation tool and supports a very wide range of test environments like web, desktop, SAP, Delphi, Net, ActiveX, Flex, Java, Oracle, Mobile, PeopleSoft, Power Builder, CBS, Stringy, Visual Basic, amongst others. Okay, so second point is the scripting language is VB The tool deals well with HPALM test management tool like an SP load runner performance testing tool. And last one is salient features of QTP include business process testing, keyword driven framework, XML support, robust checkpoints, and test results. So next question we have is mention what is the, and this one is the last question of today's demo. So that is mention what is the difference between Selenium and Sikuli. So Sikuli's difference is it provides extensive support to automate Flash objects. It has simple API, and third point is it uses a visual match to find elements on the screen, so we can automate anything we see on the screen. And last point of Sikuli is it can automate the web as well as Windows application. So, and Selenium's points are, it first point is it cannot automate flash objects like video player, audio player. Second point is it has got complicated API. Third point is it doesn't have visual match. And last point is it can automate only web related applications. That's it. So guys, we have completed all 15 points, and guys, this is for the today's demo. We'll see you in next demo with new topic, and thank you and thanks for watching.